I wanted to play Mario Bros on the Super Nintendo, but those games have been replaced with ones that are a disgrace. Where did all the good games go? You play your system with a screen you can touch, or a motion controller. Now I know that I'm no bowler, but this Wii version sucks. Oh, I'm wasting my time. I'm just wasting time. Something happened to good video games. I don't know why, but now they're all really lame. Something happened to good video games. Oh, don't take my SNES or NES. Don't take them away. Take them away. Take them away. My Xbox got the red ring of death. Crap! Now I can't play Halo. I sent it in the mail. Now just how long will it take? No, it's taking forever. Woo! My hedgehogs and my plumbers used to be exchanges. I'm playing on a cartridge. I really miss those days before the memory cartridge. Oh, I don't know. Something happened to good video games. I don't know why, but now they're all really lame. Something happened to good video games. Oh, don't take my SNES or NES. Don't take them away. And this is my last game over. I'm almost done, where is the fun? And this is my last game over.
Danke fürs Abonnieren. Wenn einer mich abonniert, kriegt einer einen Gratis-Donut von mir. Klick auf den Donutzeichen auf der linken Maustaste. Danke fürs Abonnieren. Ich hoffe, dieses Lied hat euch zum Lachen oder zum Vergessen gebracht. Oh, was sag ich da? Viel Spaß beim nächsten Mal. Tschüss.